Hi, it's happy birthday. It's been a long while na magkakasama tayo as Becky's. Siguro sa tagal na nating magkakaibigan, hindi na talaga matitinag yung mga samahan natin. Well, you have taught me a lot in your life as a family. I can remember when you got married, it was Holy Family. And I look up to you and Eder and your whole family as a very good family. And I pray na sana you stick it out in thickness, in sorrow, in joy, which we have seen that it has been stronger, it has grown stronger. Alam ko maraming kayong pinagdaanan and you have inspired me in all of those. And your miracle stories na sinishare mo when you were there, salamat sa mga yon. And sana in your 40 years, it's a promise. It's a promise of 40 years in the desert. And I pray for 40 years of happy married life, a vocation. May your family lead you to kingdom bound, heaven bound. And like the Holy Family who is already in heaven. And looking forward to more inspirations from your family. God bless. I love you, Hides. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday.